So how do I enable payments with Dlocal Go on Hostinger website builder? I'm showing this short video. If you find this short video helpful, I really appreciate if you subscribe and like this video. If you have more suggestions for the next Hostinger tutorial, let me know in the comment section. So what you're gonna have to do here is, first of all, just don't forget to go on your website. So just click on here on edit website. And then what we're gonna have to do here is pretty simple. So we're gonna have to click on online store here. You should see here online store, and then here click on store settings. You also have here manage store. You can also click on manage store right over here. All right, and now from here, what you're gonna have to do is to click on settings, and then here we have settings, and actually don't click on settings, you're gonna have to click on payment, sorry. Here on payments, we have Dlocal Go. Now just click on connect, and now just connect to Dlocal Go. Okay, here we have some instructions. So if you already have a Dlocal Go account, I don't have one, so I hope you found this helpful. If you didn't know where it was located, which I didn't know, so I hope you found this short video helpful. So thanks for watching and take care.